Experience the magic of an Alaskan Christmas right in your home. Naomi Home presents the Thalia Alaskan Christmas Tree, a breathtaking blend of nature's beauty and modern convenience. Bring the look of the great outdoors into your living room. This Christmas tree features rich, white snow-covered branches that perfectly mimic the look and feel of a real outdoor winter tree, with extra-large built-in LED lighting. Your tree comes to life with the flick of a switch. Natural beauty, effortless elegance, and the magic of the season, all in one perfect tree. The Thalia Alaskan Christmas tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, 7.5 feet, and 9 feet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.